Okay, so we're going to start this this little episode series. Oh fuck, whatever. This freaking video. I'm going to start this video off with that. Yeah. It's a moment of silence. So yeah, basically just gonna make a whole series of what the fuck we've been doing for the last fucking week or so. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Get it out and share it. Yeah. Let's see what the fuck happened. Okay, old Omatron. Omatron. It's lower now, ain't he?
Yeah, Wayne.
Hmm.
What happened?
What?
What happened?
Really? What happened?
What?
Nothing happened. That's what the dude.
What happened was...
So the bro came over and he like chopped it out and like fully re-welded all these arms in. Look how big my double chin is.
Your face looks flat.
Oh.
Where is your chin?
It's right there. No wonder you guys are giving me shit the other day. I need to grow it back. Because I'm stunned. I know. Anyway. Now I can't not see it. I need to...
Yeah, we can laugh.
Yeah.
We can't.
Oh, it's not that bad. Yeah, okay, so... should I do you know what it was? So I got this... Bro to come have a look at something. I was like, look, we're going to have to do this and this. And I looked in there and... Oh. Yeah, had two of these in there. I had this little rubber case thing over there I've ripped off, but anyway.
That was a good shot.
Oh, fuck, really? Yeah! We need to see that alternator too. I do.
It's nothing to do with me.
Yeah. And I'll send a sticker. And I'll send that crappy ECU. But it's lowered. The front looks like it's lower than the back, but the back can go down a little bit lower. But yeah, it's fine. It's all even. It steers. Just now. Fucking another problem. But I think we've fixed it. Aye. Oh, this is not made to pick up with like holding a camera. The chain's loose. But yeah, we might have solved that, so that's all good. Fuck's sakes. This thing is so funny. But yeah. Solving issues with other issues. But it's sweet. Done burger. So lowering sorted. I think it's a thumbs up this time. And what else do we do? Now paint it. And then do the back. I bought the cushion out fully, cut that up.
Okay.
And
I need the wood first. On there.
Oh, yeah, I'll go get some tick screws.
So I can measure it and shit.
Tick screws. Yeah, I'll get some tick screws because we've got to tick screw it through there. And then flex it as well so then it's sealed. I mean, yeah, pretty much just sand this frickin' thing. Sand it. Like sandy from frickin' grease. It's done. Alright. Fucking cough cut. Fucking hell.
Now you gotta be careful getting in it because you hit your head.
Oh, now, I'm still sweet. I'm so fucking short. Alright. And he reckons like... I can just get in there. So it's sweet. But Annie goes, she has to go. Oh, fuck this thing. Fucking. Oh, we're winning though. A few speed bumps, but we're winning.
Or bump stops.
Bumps, a few. Fuck's sakes. It is true though. A few bump stops. But yeah, it's lowered. So that's mean. Alright. Let's go do the rest now. Alright, so we got a... I'm call him Jake the Muss. Jake the Muss here. We figured... So yeah, I slammed this fucking thing out after figuring out... You will see the other part of the video of Annie giving me shit about the cog. About the bump stops, actually. Won't fucking go there. But, yeah, the bro here, what? Move it forward. Hey. Was that or cog? But at least this way, if we get a cog, we can just move it back. Hey.
Yeah.
That's a fucking simple solution.
Yeah, or bigger motor.
Yeah, or bigger motor. It's always bigger motor. There we go. Now we'll just leave it.
Yeah, couple cable ties.
Should be safe. But yeah, fucking... See, I wouldn't have done it this way. That this dude's fucking up to, but... Fucking look at that. It was off. So that just unplugged. It should be the only thing that's got a plug to. Because there's a whole lot of plugs that go to that. See, I would have got the grinder and gone... And just ground more fucking... things up, but we won't do that. Work central holes. Because... Yeah. Else I'd grind it. But... Nah. Drilling a hole's gonna be way easier. See, I wouldn't even hole punched it. It would have been like 50 million fucking drill wobbles all over it, and she would have been good to go. But oh, I'll get the drill, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Yep. Like it's gonna fucking do anything. If you want to do one, I'll do one.
Plug into the wall.
Oh. Oh, yeah, sorry. Trick is, for 10. Boom.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry. too much to the brother. So all the parts have arrived. Now we'll drop these off to fucking to the bros. Let's get down there, party. We have the winner for the airbrush custom paint job is here. So this is going to be pretty fucking cool. Little hatch has its few issues. Okay, hey, 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 what? Yeah, this has had a bit of a respray too. Someone's tried the old fucking. Oh, it has been repaired there. But yeah. Now this is how a car should turn up prepped to paint. Dude has actually gone out and removed tail lights and stuff. He didn't take the number plate off though. But oh, we don't take points off for that. It's got its usual Mazda problems. And here's fine because there's chrome there. It's got no bubbles in the roof. It's just scratches. So which is freaking sweet. You know, in the end, it's getting airbrush. We'll give it character. So all these are going to get attacked. They'll probably have to be welded, most likely. But you can see it's got flex where it's been bogged and that, but nothing to fucking cry about. It's fine. Find out. Yeah, the usual. It's been bogged up like so hard in here. It's been bogged up hard there. So what I'll do, you guys know what will happen here. I'll remove all that. It doesn't need to be there because there's actually supposed to be a gap there. Fix that, but a little bit of rust coming through. Those cones just got its, normal scenario problems, rust coming through, but it shows it's all steel. So I'm not going to tell you what we're doing. You can just watch the videos to see what is going to be happening. It's just way easier that way. Way easier. So again, lower this. We cannot find tyres for this thing. They are more common like that. But it's a big wheel. Again, it's probably why this is on there instead of the front. Fuck. I will keep looking, but it's lowered anyway. So we lowered it. The work. Fucking hell. I'm either sniffing or coughing. So what's happening here is all this is going to be done. I've just got an oil tank to prep up. So I'll mask this off, mask that off. This helmet, now I had a plan of attack, but now I've changed the plan of attack, and I hope the owner is happy with what I'm going to do with it. Because just with the shape of it and shit. So this is for Speedway. Even though it looks like a motocross helmet, but it's actually a Speedway helmet. Because it actually has a Hans device. So yeah. And this bad boy here. So still removing vinyl. It's a mission. But yeah, we're getting there. We're plodding along. So sand this. So pretty much we're going to be showing is how I'm going to airbrush this. Because this is all going to be pretty much stenciled style. It's just because, what's going on it needs to be stenciled. So I'll show you what I do with the app tape. I'll show you everything I do with that. This one, again, if you've seen my other ones, it's basically fine line work. But I'm going to make it look cool. As you see in the start of the video, everything for this is turned up. Well, not everything for it. The next stage. So I've got to drop all those parts off and then they'll get done. But anyway, we will set up camera. Well, I will. And we'll start laying everything up. This is going to be hardcore. But all this needs to be done. That one needs to be done like ASAP because the season is on. And I need to get into that. So that and these, actually all three of them. But this one's going to probably be quicker. That one's going to take a little bit of time. Just the more I think about it, there's actually quite a bit of detail work and cutting and painting. You'll see in the video. And this thing's going to be pretty cool. It's mainly the prep on this. This is the longest part. and then it's going to be masking everything out, and then yeah, so forth. I'll go and bolt stuff, I'll go and bolt the bars to get down there. And then we've got this to do. So pretty much I think these all three are going to get done first, and then we'll get the hatch. I'll start on the hatch while it's out there and do the hatch and the golf cart at the same time. I don't know. Again, I'm saying what the fuck I'm going to do, but I have no idea what actually was going to do. Everything just happens as it goes. So stay tuned, and we'll see. Just stay tuned. Start watching the video. Let's get into it. No.
I know. I reckon. Did you go over that way? No. You'll get that. Got it. Here you go. Oh, fuck's sake.
How much did this cost you? $10.
Here, you try it.
What are you doing? Was that it?
Nose up first and then it'll do it again.
You reckon? I don't know. No,
It'll just keep going.
will it?
Yeah. So if there was heaps of chickens in there, you would have got pumpkins. Then it just keep going. It keeps adding more.
Oh, really? I have no idea.
So far you're at 160 something. So you finished it.
Oh. Oh, so this is what we need. This is the ticket things.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why you're better off doing these guys.
What? Help. What the fuck is up to? Bro getting shit done. Not like me. Fucking big rock solid bird shits everywhere.
Got a hammer?
Yep.
You don't have to pretend, baby. I know it gets hard, but you have to keep going, keep moving on, and don't you ever look back.
Fucking this fella come in and fucking help out. Gets me. Nice body welds.
I don't look at them too hard.
Fucking compared to yours, are fucking way nearer than mine. Oh, yes. Hey, at least it's. Oh, I had. Oh, no, I had to go over my one there. So. But yeah, at least it's all breaks up now. It's all done. Fucking sweet. Just cross me in an hour and then we can put this fucking. Then we'll weld the rest of it in later. Game games. Too much, bro. Massive. Compared to my welds. It's not that. Oh, mine look mean with the fucking black zinc on them. Ah, but then. Nah, it's good. It is good. Fuck, this thing's probably more solid than ever be. Even though you found a crack under my cost member, but I said, shh, don't worry, bro. I was gonna.
Then we didn't see it.
It didn't exist. But fucking sweet. We're on. Oh well. Now just drop all these bits off. Fucking get this fucking thing put together. Finally. What's up? So okay, yesterday I checked the must come over and done some welding. I did a little bit of welding myself. Yeah. I wanted to weld it, most of it, but I thought, fuck, it's probably better to get someone to do this part who actually does that sort of welding. Just because my fucking engine's going to be hanging off there, and I thought, fuck, it might just. But yeah, so. But yeah, I'm doing most of the rest myself. Get the bro to help me if he wants again to do some other dumb shit in this car. But yeah, we have a load already. See, there's a. Jesus. That looked better yesterday. But yeah, anyway, it's all done. Don't look closely. The bro was like, fuck, Probably put some fucking plates in there. No. So yeah, put some plates in this to structurally hold. Got a little bit more. But yeah, happy days. Happy fucking days. So that's all done. Look how fucking light it is without the fucking costume in it. You know, fucking. So yeah. Anyway, so what we'll do today is I need to get all these parts over to Old School. Old School. Fuck, I always get their fucking shop name fucked up. Get those parts over there so they can start smashing all that out. I need to start getting stuff out of the RX-8 that needs to go. I need to get the payment sorted with that so I can pay these guys. Because, you know, even though they're like doing sponsorship deals, still got to give them some cash. Because, yeah, it's not. There's a lot of work that they're doing. And they know what they're doing and I don't. Anyway, I'm just going to grind off this, get rid of these welds on here. I don't know, get that done. Then I'll go get some more chems, degreaser, degrease all that. And then, so I got a helmet. Another video, it's probably dropped by now, I'm not sure. So, yeah. Oh, fucking shit in my eye. Fuck's sakes. So, yeah, next video is probably dropped me starting work on the golf carts, the helmet, the bike. So all in between this, start pulling the. I've always started actually pulling the RX-8 apart and just get into make sure fucking push things ahead. I want this RX-8 gone. I want it out of my drive. So as soon as I get everything out of it, as soon as that's been sorted. It's just, to me, it's just an eyesore. It's just one car I don't need in the driveway at the moment. But yeah, everything's starting getting pulled out, so which is good. And I'll start draining fluids and shit, start getting everything into the fucking into this. Anyway, start grinding. Sweet, so most of that's done, that'll do. Fuck it, I'll probably take a little bit more off that, but yeah. But all I'm using is one of these fucking discs too. I forgot what they're fucking called. Regime different grits, 40, 60, 80. You know? Flat disc, whatever the fuck they are. I've always used these just to fucking chew welds off or lumps on blocks or heads and stuff before I've custom painted them and stuff like that, you know. They just munch it smooth. So I've shown you on another video of the 3-2 wagon what I've used them on too, like smoothing stuff out. You know, I can get rid of all those lines, but I'm just gonna leave them. It's sweet. You can probably weld into that. So yeah, it's pretty much done. I might clean some of that up, but actually I'll take more off that, but I'll do it later on because I need to focus on my other work. So sweet. Let's try and get these parts to Old School. Get into this helmet. The bike. I've actually got to push this helmet out. So what I'm going to do is smash this helmet out, and then it'll be bike and fucking the glare. Bike and golf cart. Trying to get no glare. Bike and golf cart. Another golf cart. So yeah. Helmet has to be pushed out. So I'm not really gonna film it until I'm near the end, because I feel I'll go live on TikTok because I haven't done that. I've done it before and it's kind of dumb. But I'll do it again. So I'm gonna do this whole helmet. No, I'm gonna partially do the helmet on TikTok live. So if you've watched it already, massive. If you haven't, oh well. But I will film near the end of it, because I think most of the shit I'll put on that platform will just be line work and stuff and trying to figure it out and stuff. So gonna go a bit of a different direction with this helmet, just because how it's shaped. But yeah, anyway, but the bike and that I will film that, etc. Because people have been asking, like, you know, what I use, what products and stuff. So I'll do another rerun with that. But yeah, anyway, let's see what this looks like. Kind of now, kind of now. Now kind of. Right, so what I did is pretty much did two lives, did one on TikTok and one on YouTube, masking this up. So this is a quick rundown. If you want to see this process, you can see it on another video of the helmet I done for this customer. So let's give you a quick rundown. Basically, everything that's masked is black. So, yeah. What I'll do is, again, I'll just film little snippets of it and chuck it in this video, and then, but the rest will be live. It's just easier to do it live. You can see what's going on. But yeah, you wait. I'm not going to say anything. Just 3, 2, 1. Now, what's up with Daddy's butt?
Too scary because it's not Halloween yet.
What do you mean? What do you mean it's not Halloween yet?
They did it for Halloween, but
So what's wrong with my butt?
it's not even Halloween, so you did it on Halloween day. You had to do it on Halloween
Why?
day. Cause
Why?
I want you to do it on Halloween, not on normal days, you dork.
Oh! So what's wrong with it? It looks too... What? What do you reckon what's wrong with it?
It looks scary because you did it. You had to do it on Halloween because it's not even Halloween. Because I had to call you a dork.
Yeah.
You two. Who are those guys? Who are they? Who are they?
I don't know, but you just called me a dork. Alright. Well, no.
What happened to his bop?
It's staying like that, okay?
No, it's not.
Peace out.
No.
Channel X.
Young folks in P North. We're off to the old cool autos. Drop the shit off. See what they're gonna whinge about my shit. Fucking, they told me what to get. I got what they told me to get. Fuck's sakes, where's these fools feet? Where the fuck am I meant to fucking park? Got my trailer full of shit. Oh, I gotta paint this bad boy too. This is pretty dope, eh? So I gotta airbrush that, their logo. Fucking motherfuckers get the coolest shit. Back here to the bros, eh? Did you unbolt it? Oh, fuck yeah. So I gotta quickly unbolt this fucking shit for them. Oh, he doesn't want to do any hard work, but I guess it's the work I've got to do. So I'm going to show you what I'm up to now before I go live now on YouTube. So yeah, so I've pretty much masked everything out. Everything is masked that I want black. So I'm now applying white where I want white. So all the lines, black is black. But yeah, I thought I'd just give you a quick rundown. Instead, I'm not going to film. I'm just going to film sections that I've done to this. It's just easier. But if you watch the live, you'll witness the madness. Alright, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Cheer. Continue the madness. Okay, so I keep forgetting to film this in stages. Such a moron. But yeah, it's pretty much nearly finished. This helmet. I got that visor to do. But yeah, I'm just adding all the detail now. So what I've been doing, I've been doing this on live here on YouTube because it's just, I don't know, I put the other videos up for the helmets. They got a, yeah, they don't get as much views or traction, so I thought I might as well do them on here. I'm going to do them on live. But yeah, it's got a jam in there. So I thought I'd put this edit in this video. So what I'll do next, I'll finish it up, the next video, and then I'll show you how it looks. Then the next video will be doing the bike and that, and doing this bad boy, and hopefully we'll have something going into there. I think I'm just going to start stripping the RX-8 now and just start putting everything in there because I need to get this moving. I need to get rid of that RX-8. It needs to get out of here. It's a fucking eyesore. Yeah, so I think I'll start stripping everything and put it in there. Anyway, sorry about the end of this video. But just trying to make things happen. Need to get back on the roll. And if you haven't noticed, I'm pumping out my drawings again. So yeah, it's fucking, it's good. I'm actually on a roll with that. Fuck's sakes. Hey, another thing, see these securities. Sorry, I've got one on so it doesn't look right. But yeah, I designed these. The back's done as well, but I can't. Don't know what to do. Hey, I can try and film the back. I don't even think they even filmed anything. But yeah, if you want one of these hoodies that I designed, you need to get it Riggs Rotaries. Riggs Vintage Mazda. Yeah, that's the one. Get at them on Facebook. Just flick them a PM. They send worldwide, so it's pretty bad. But you need to get one of these hoodies. Heck, it's getting into winter in New Zealand. It's so fucking warm. They gangster. I'm getting sick again because freaking Dakota's sick. So now I'm getting sick. Fucking kid life, man. Humans. Anyway, I'm going to end this video. It's just a mashup of all the crazy stuff, all the work that we've been doing. I think of the golf cart. Of the fucking golf cart, the suspension, fuck's sake, smugs. Yeah, and just the key and everything. So it's just a mashup. I think what I'll do is just start mashing stuff up instead of putting them into episodes. Hey, but be sure you watch the other videos. Be sure you subscribe. Be sure you like them. Be sure to share them. And yeah, and oh, and you know the other car's here because it should be in this edit. So yeah, let's see if the next video stuff actually starts coming back together and start making sense of everything. Anyway, take care, peace out, and get cool to after mother truck and school, y'all. Alright, see you next time. Cool.